Coffee is more than just a morning habit. It's a powerful stimulant that begins working within minutes of the first sip. As coffee enters the body, caffeine is rapidly absorbed through the stomach and intestines and carried into the bloodstream. Within moments, it reaches the brain, where it blocks adenosine, the chemical responsible for sleepiness, helping you feel more awake, focused, and alert. Neurons begin firing more efficiently, reaction time improves, and mental clarity increases. At the same time, coffee stimulates the release of adrenaline, preparing the body for action. The heart beats slightly faster, blood flow improves, and muscles receive an energetic boost. In the digestive system, coffee can stimulate gut activity and increase metabolism. For many people, this leads to improved digestion and temporary energy elevation. However, too much coffee can also cause side effects. Excess caffeine may irritate the stomach lining, increase anxiety, or trigger a sudden spike followed by an energy crash. That's why balance